Welcome to the tutorial on product attributes setup. eComchain allows the website owner to select products that have attributes the end user selects. Before we can assign an attribute to a product, attributes must be set up. Navigate to the dashboard and expand Products from the menu on the left-hand toolbar, then select Attributes. All of the product attributes and configurations that we have created will show on the screen. To add another one, enter the name of the new attribute and click the Add button. You can have as many as you like. A pop-up box will ask what type of attribute you wish to create. For this attribute, we are selecting SKU attribute. Next, click Select. Locate the attribute you just created. Here, we just created the attribute wrist size, and it is showing the type as SKU attribute. You can choose to hide the attribute from the catalog if you want to keep them for later use, or you can delete them. You can also upload an image to display choices. Since this is a new SKU attribute, we need to add values for the end user to select. Click this plus sign in the Add Values column. Here we have added 3 values to the attribute wrist size. To add a value, enter it in the box and click the Add button. You can add as many values as you like. To hide a value, click the Hide from Catalog box or delete the value if you no longer want it. Navigate back to the dashboard and select Add Products. This screen shows all of the products we have created. Here you can select Add Product or select a product that has already been set up that you now need to add attributes to. Here we will select a product. To add a new product, please see our Add Product tutorial. On the left-hand toolbar, scroll down and select Advanced Info, then select Attributes. A list of attributes that we have already been set up will pop up. We will select the wrist size attribute and click Select at the bottom of the pop-up window. You can select as many attributes as you like for a product. The attribute wrist size has been added to the product. We now have to set up a SKU for each one of the attribute values. We will add stock to each SKU later. In order for a value to show on the end user screen, a SKU name and code are required for each view. Click Update in the lower right of the screen to make sure the product gets updated. Stock must be added to each SKU. On the left-hand toolbar, select Stock under Advanced Info. Select the product SKU, its stock status, add the quantity you have to sell. Next, select the supplier or warehouse and click Add. See the respective tutorial for more information on product management, suppliers, and warehouses. This is the end user screen view before we added the attribute. This is the end user screen view after we added the attribute. Now the end user must select an attribute to add the item to the cart. The cart shows the attribute selection with the product. This concludes the tutorial on product attributes.